Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Carice van Houten, the Dutch actress and singer. The correct pronunciation is Carice van Houten. Carice van Houten. There is a light emphasis on the second part of the first name and the first part of the second name. Carice van Houten. Carice van Houten. Carice van Houten. Carice van Houten played Melisandre in 29 episodes of Game of Thrones. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!